In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create perfect Instagram posts in Canva 4:5 aspect ratio. We'll move step by step so you can design confidently and get a clean, polished result that looks great in the feed and on your profile grid. Start by opening Canva. On the home page, click Create. Then choose Social Media and select Instagram. From there, pick Instagram post. Make sure you are on the portrait-oriented 4:5 template. This is Instagram's recommended vertical size for posts, often represented as 1080 by 1350 pixels. That taller format gives your content more screen real estate and tends to perform well in the feed. Next, head to the design panel and explore the pre-designed templates. These are professionally built starting points, so pick one that suits your topic and vibe. Once it's loaded on your canvas, swap in your own content. Drag and drop your images directly onto the design. Replace the placeholder text with your message and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand or the mood you want. Keep contrast in mind, darker text on a light background or vice versa improves readability. If you are using animated stickers for extra personality, keep them subtle so they enhance rather than distract. Note that if you plan to post a static image to your feed, animation won't play when you export as PNG or JPG. As you refine the layout, pay close attention to placement. Keep essential text and key images away from the very top and bottom edges. In your profile grid, Instagram shows a square crop, which can clip the upper and lower portions of a 4:5 design to protect your headline, call to action, and faces. Keep them centered with comfortable breathing room from the edges. A simple rule of thumb is to avoid stacking important elements flush against the top or bottom. Give them a safe margin so nothing gets accidentally trimmed. When your design looks just right, it's time to export. Click Download and choose PNG or JPG for high quality. PNG is great for graphics, text, heavy designs, or anything with sharp edges and flat colors. JPG works well for photos and can keep file sizes smaller. Use the high-quality option to preserve crisp details. After downloading, preview your file on your phone to confirm that everything reads clearly and that nothing critical sits too close to the edges. And that's it. Thanks for watching.